In this video, I will show you how to change layers in Canva. So for example, you can see right now, if I grab this element, you will see that this other element is right now above it. If I would like to switch that, then what I can do is just click anywhere on the design and then click position. So here you see it right there. If I click on this, you'll see it right there. With text, you sometimes need to click on the three dots and then click position, but just going to click position and then make sure it's set to layers. Then in your layers, you will see all of the different elements you have in your design right here. So for example, I want to have the light bulb above this sort of potion thing. So then what I do is just grab the light bulb and move it above it. So then you will see now the order has changed, and since the mouse here is all the way at the bottom, now you can see it goes under both of these. So that's how to change layers in Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.